This is the third video on shortcut keys of Microsoft Excel. If you have not watched two earlier videos, I have shared it on the description. You can see the videos and come to this third one. So this video we are going to learn about shortcut keys on Worksheet. Right? Worksheet. Last one we have seen the shortcut keys on Workbook. Now we are going to see the shortcut keys on Worksheet. Let me start here. For example, we have the list of sheets available. I want to insert a new sheet. To insert a new sheet, normally what we will do is, we'll make a right click on the sheet, any one of the sheet, and you will go for this insert sheet. Correct? Right click on it and you can go for insert sheet. Else you can see there is a plus symbol available here. You can use that. But there is a shortcut key. The shortcut key is Shift F11. Shift F11. In some keyboards you can press Shift Function F11. Function F11. Some laptops. Desktop is Shift F11. If you are using laptops, some laptops you have to press Function Shift F11. Fine. Now I want to go to the next sheet. We have the list of sheets available. I want to go to the next sheet. If you are using a mouse, you can just make a click on the next sheet, click on the next sheet. It moves to the next sheet. But we have the shortcut key for it. If you want to move to the next sheet, Control Page Down. Control Page Down will go to the next sheet. I'm doing it. Control Page Down. It goes to the next sheet. Control Page Down. It goes to the next sheet. Previous sheet. Control Page Up. Control Page Up. It goes to the previous sheet. But I want to select two sheets together. Sometimes it's required to select two sheets at a time together. Right? In that case, add another key to that. We have pressed Control Page Down, we'll go to the next sheet. Control Page Up, we'll go to the previous sheet. Now add Control Shift. Hold the Control key as well as the Shift key and then press that Page Down. So you can see two alternative sheets are selected. You can see both the sheets are selected here. Correct? And even you can see on the top it says the two sheets are selected. It's a group. It's a group of sheets. Right? Control Shift Page Down. It's used for selecting multiple sheets at a time. Similarly, suppose I am in sheet number 7. I want to select sheet number 6 and 7 together. So Control Shift Page Up. Control Shift Page Up will go to the previous sheet. Okay. So this will move from one sheet to another sheet. Fine. And another one. You can see this ribbon is available on the top. Temporarily, I want to hide the ribbon because my data is large. I have huge data. I'm not able to see the entire data. I want to hide the ribbon. Two methods. One is you can make a double click on your mouse. Anywhere else on the ribbon, you can make a double click. The ribbon will be hidden. Same double click, unhide. Unhiding the ribbon. So you can go for a shortcut key. Control F1. As I told, some keyboards, functional key, you have to press Control Function F1 also. As I told, some laptops, you have to press Control Function F1. So Control F1 or Control Function F1. So toggle key. Same key can be used for unhiding also. Control F1 will unhide. Okay. But I want to see my full screen. Full screen. If you want to see the full screen, hiding the ribbon and everything, so you can press Control Shift F1 as an indicator. You can see the full screen is available. Some keyboards you have to press Control Shift Function F1. Correct? Control Shift Function F1. So let me do that. Unhiding it. So same key can be used for hiding as well as unhiding. Right? Next is this name box. Sometimes this name box plays a vital role. I have created a separate video how to use the name box in a better way. I will share that video on the description also. Now I want to go to the name box. So you can use a shortcut key Alt F3. Alt F3. When I press Alt F3, you can see my cursor goes to the name box. There are so many advantages available. Simple advantage, I can move to a particular space. Simple advantage. Let me do a simple advantage. I want to go to the cell number called as A1. Just to type A1 and enter, it goes to the A1. Okay. That's a simple advantage of using this name box. But in depth, I will specify the advantage of this name box in a separate video. As I told, I will share it on the description. Next one. I want to see the print preview. Suppose I want to take a print out, print preview. In old version, if you are using 2007, separate key is available for print preview and separate key is available for printer. But here both the keys are same. So you can press Ctrl P, which will go to the print preview, then it will go to print. Or else even you can use Ctrl F2 also. Ctrl F2 also, it goes to the print preview. Okay, fine. And you can press escape to come out of this. And we have one more thing available on the right hand side. This is the plus symbol, plus and minus symbol. You know what is the purpose of it? It's used for zooming in and zooming out. Zoom in and zoom out, right? So the latest version, very latest version of Microsoft, that is, you can say Office 365, this key is available. Probably in older version this may not be available. So what is the key is Ctrl Alt plus, Ctrl Alt plus, which will increase the zoom percentage. It will zoom in, zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Ctrl Alt plus. When you press Ctrl Alt plus, you can see the zoom percentage is increasing. Ctrl Alt minus, the zoom percentage is decreasing. Correct? Ctrl Alt plus to increase the zoom percentage, Ctrl Alt minus to decrease the zoom percentage. And final shortcut key here, I want to, in the worksheet, I want to navigate to the multiple options here. For example, I want to move from the home tab to this sheet tab and sheet tab to this status bar. You can use the key F6. You can press F6, function F6. When I press F6, what has happened is actually my cursor has moved to the sheets. My cursor has moved to the sheets. How do I know it? You can use the arrow mark. You can see the arrow mark now, it's moving on the sheets. When I press F6, it moves to the sheets here. You can see when I move the arrow mark, it's moving from one sheet to another sheet here. You can note it's moving from one sheet to another sheet. Correct? If you want to select that sheet, space bar, just press space bar, that sheet will be selected. Correct? And from this sheet tab, I want to move to this area where we have the print preview and other things. You can press same F6. When I press same F6, now it comes to this area. So you can use the arrow mark to move between this. And as usual, as I told, you can press the space bar or enter to select a particular option. Suppose I want to go to this view, you can press enter. It goes to that particular view here. So F6 is the key to navigate between one task pane to another one. It will go to the ribbon, it will go to the task pane, it will go to the zoom control also. Let me press one more F6. Now it goes to the ribbon area here. Right? So you can press F6 multiple times, it moves from the multiple areas. So F6 will move forward. If you want to move it in the reverse order. Now if you want to come back in the reverse order, you can use Shift F6. After pressing F6, you can see you can use the arrow marks where you can move from one tab to another tab, and you can use up arrow to move from your title bar one area to another area. So what are all the other advantages of these tabs and ribbons, which we will explain in some other session. Okay? Thank you.